Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I am back with another tutorial video today and I'm going to show you how to create a Garena account. Garena is an online platform that helps you either develop games or play different kind of games. So if you are into games and would like to create an account in Garena, this is what you need to do. First of all, head over to your web browser, and on your web browser, simply type in www.garena.sg. And when you do that, you will land on an interface like this. In order to create an account, you will see that on the top right corner, there are 3 horizontal lines. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines, scroll downwards, and there you will see an option that says account. Tap on account. As you tap on account, you will land on an interface like this that will either ask you to log in or to register a new account. Now, since you're using Garena for the first time, you'll have to create an account, so tap on register a new account. Now, as you do that, you'll have to first choose your username. So I'm just going to choose my username here, and then your password, and then type in your email. Remember what it says at the moment. It says that you can use this particular email address to retrieve your password. Now you also have to give them your mobile number. So here I'm just gonna type in my mobile number now. And then here it says that you need to have a verification code. So I'm just gonna tap on get code. And now when I receive the code, I'll have to type in the code here. So here I've received the code. And now here you'll have to choose the language. So I'm just gonna, here's the country of residence. So I've just chosen my country of residence and then tap on register now. After doing this, it says that Garena has already been able to successfully register you. So now what you can do is you can tap on login now and then type in your username here and then your password here and then tap on login. And as you can see here, you have now been logged in to your Garena account. So this is how you can create your account. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you liked the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.